तुझे इंट्रोडक्शन दे.
So, hello everyone, myself Ganesh Shinde. Good afternoon everyone. So today I will taking about two very important concepts in operation management, scheduling and loading. These two activities are essential for managing time, resource and productivity in any manufacturing or service-based organization. Without proper scheduling and loading, even the most advanced system can face delay and losses. So, what is scheduling? Scheduling is the process of planning when and how job or task should be done. It answer question like what task should be done. Second one is when should it start, and third one is in what order should job be done, and fourth last one is who will perform the task. So in simple terms, I will tell you scheduling is like creating a timetable for machine, people and operation. For example, in a factory, scheduling tell you when a machine will be used and which product it will produce a certain time. So there are different types of scheduling such as forwarding scheduling, backward scheduling and priority scheduling. So first one is scheduling. Let's see what is forward scheduling, where tasks are scheduled from a start date moving forward. In forward scheduling, let's discuss in simple words, means in simple way where tasks are scheduled from the due date moving backward. Priority schedule in simple way you can say where the most urgent or important jobs are done first. Good scheduling helps reduce time, improve resource utilization and ensure timely delivery. So let's discuss what is loading. So loading is the process of assigning job to machine, people or work center based on their capacity. It tells us how much work a machine or employee can handle at a given time. So there are two main type of loading: infinite loading and finite loading, where jobs are assigned without considering capacity limit. It assumes that resources are always available, which is not realistic. And second one is finite loading. So in simple way, you can say that where jobs are assigned based on actual capacity, it ensures that no machine or worker is overloaded. So loading helps prevent over budgeting and underutilization of resources. For example, you can say, let's say, for example, if a worker can only handle 5 tasks in a day, okay, loading ensures they are not assigned 10, but this avoid delay and burnout. So the relationship between schedule and loading go hand in hand. Loading decide who will do the job and how much they can handle, while scheduling decide when the job will be done. Together, they help businesses meet customer deadlines, avoid machine or worker overload, improve productivity, reduce waiting time and cost. Together, they can help meet customer deadline. And second one is avoid machine or workout overload. And third one is improve productivity. And last one is reduce waiting time and cost. So conclusion is the conclusion of scheduling and loading means, to sum up, scheduling and loading are the key function in operation management. Scheduling focus on time when job should be done, and loading focuses on capacity when how how much work each resource can handle. So when both are done correctly, business operate more efficiently, meet delivery deadlines and keep customers satisfied. So thank you for your attention, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of how scheduling and loading contribute to successful operation. So that's it. Thank you.